Step 1, draw the margin. Step 2. The upper part of the head will be in the middle of the white page. First, draw a part of the head like T of the English alphabet. Do not make a straight line, come a little crooked. Step 3. Draw the whole head. Step 4. Draw the belly of the animal. Step 5. Draw hands on both sides. As we said before, the animal looks a lot like a bat. They have hands on either side of their wings, just as a tiger has hands on wings. Step 6. Draw the wings. The wings of this creature look a lot like a bat. But they are not as small as bats. They were the largest of the birds. Step 7. Draw the pterodactyl's eyes. On both sides of the forehead, we have two beautiful small eyes of Akbar. The eyes will be round. Step 8. Paint the upper part of the head blue. First, we will paint the top of the head and the lips. There we will give more blue color. Here you will use oil paste. If you don't have a good pastel, you can use a blue pencil. Step 9. Paint the head and stomach of the animal. Give the head a little less blue. The forehead will also have more blue on the lips, the head will be lighter blue than that. Then we'll paint the belly. In the belly, we will do the color of the sky. Step 10. Paint the animal's hands purple. They have two hands on their wings. There you can use black, but we will give it purple. There is no need to give fingers, but you can give if you can. Step 11. Paint the wings. Now we will paint the wings and put blue there. You can do this with the help of oil pastel. After coloring, rub lightly with tissue paper. The color is a little darker and smoother when rubbed with tissue paper. Step 12. With the help of a black marker pen, draw the outline. This time we will highlight the outline. Do it with a black marker pen or more black pencils. Then I will draw the star of the eye with the help of a marker pen. Do not use marker pens on the eyelids. Draw a blue shadow under the animal. Take a look at the picture above to see, your picture is complete. Stay with us to learn more new weird pictures like this.